Here's an app called Tabby, shop now, pay later. So just tap get, double click to install, and yeah, just you can take a look at this app. This app is one of the alternatives for for Klarna, for example. So if you're not happy with Klarna, you can definitely give a try to this app. So Tabby lets you shop at your favorite brands and split your purchases in 4 interest-free payments with no interest or hidden fees of any kind. Plus, you can track your payments, get exclusive discounts, and discover thousands of brands and products that let you pay in 4. Shop now, pay later. You can split purchases into 4 interest-free payments billed monthly, so you can get what you love now and make your payments more manageable over time. You pay in for a chain, Noon, Amazon, IKEA and thousands more, gets the best deals. So yeah, seems like a pretty interesting, nice app. It's not that popular as a Klarna, and it's mostly for Arabic countries. So it's mostly if you're in Dubai, United Arab Emirates, Saudi Arabia, and all of that. So if you just visit in Dubai, then you can just go and literally skip to stores and then just go and buy some stuff from there. So yeah, here you can just select which of your stores, and then you can just shop now, and then so yeah, here you have just that. So yep, and then you can just discover, then you can just shop, you can see your payments. Choose Tabby at checkout to split your purchases, and then just track, make payments, and then yeah, so then you can just log in. To log in, you will need to have a mobile number from one of those countries, and that's just what you have. So yeah, if you like traveling and shopping at Kuwait, Dubai, Saudi Arabia, Qatar, all of the countries in that region, then it's an interesting app to check out.